All right, so I understand that you've involved yourself in some professional organizations, particularly the Connecticut Bar Association Young Lawyers section. You served as the co-chair of the appellate executive committee. Now you are in a different role. Now, tell me how the experience in the CBA has influenced your appellate practice.
Oh gosh, yeah. So for an appellate lawyer, we get cases a lot of times either through our own firm, something that a trial lawyer has worked on, but we also kind of get them through knowing other lawyers who don't necessarily handle appeals. So it's really important to network on my end, to network not just with clients, but also with other lawyers who may have an appellate, same thing as a trial lawyer from our own firm. If they have a question about preserving something at their trial, or if they just have a question, they're handling an appeal and they have a question, it's important to have a network of lawyers as well. And so I got involved in the CBA. I think I was still clerking in the appellate. Yes, I was clerking in the appellate court maybe 6 years ago. And I got involved and I became the co-chair of the appellate section, for lack of a better word, appellate committee. And I got to put on really interesting events. I put on an event with former Chief Judge Deepan Tima. She spoke at an event at the Pond House in West Hartford. And I just think it's a really good opportunity to get to know not just other lawyers, but judges and justices. I clerked, like I said, in the appellate court, but I didn't necessarily know any of the justices in the Supreme Court. And so when you're putting on a CLE and you're inviting, Justice Ebele to speak or someone else to speak, you get to know them when you're the one hosting the event and going through questions with them beforehand. And it's just a way to really get to know everyone in the legal community outside of just in the courtroom. So I really, really love being in the CBA.